This company property video is presented by Dale Arundel. Hopewell was one of Americaâ's first planned communities, set in motion by DuPont's desire to establish a community for the workers at their gun cotton factory. Roughly 60,000 people left the small city behind when DuPont closed its doors at the end of WWI. Mid-1920s, the need for executive housing became immediate. MT Broyhill secured buyers for the Crescent Hills subdivision and Sears Roebuck homes were built. These homes were chosen from the many floor plans Sears Roebuck offered. Homes arrived in kits that included pre-cut lumber and all materials needed to erect the home. This was astonishing and incredibly efficient for a time when most power tools did not exist. These homes are still standing today. Some modified over time, some still original. All still showing the great quality that the Sears Roebuck company provided. This is your chance to own a style of home not available anymore, along with the chance to own a part of Hopewellâ's history. Behind that red arched door is great potential. With 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths, hardwood floors throughout, large fireplace and spacious kitchen. Close to Fort Lee and 295 is a true gem patiently waiting to be restored to its former glory. For more information, review the details below or contact Dale Arundel at 866-867-5309.